waking up every day to Rocky Mountain West views. This one's on another level. Let's have a look. Set on a rare corner lot, this home blends high-end design with modern sustainability, featuring 20-plus rooftop solar panels, 2 furnaces, 2 air conditions, and energy-efficient gemstone lights. It's built for comfort, style, and efficiency. Inside, you'll find elegant open living spaces, oversized windows, and thoughtful finishes throughout. The chef's kitchen boasts an induction cooktop, oversized fridge freezer, garburator, and premium appliances. Perfect for hosting or quiet nights in. Whether it's hosting friends on the deck, soaking in the hot tub with those stunning views, store your gear in custom-built garage cabinetry, and stretch out in the bright walkout basement designed for family, guest, or your dream home gym. Close to the top private schools, Aspen Landing, the LRT, and nature's doorstep, this home delivers luxury living with an adventurous spirit. Book your tour today and take the next step. Let's go.